Court must go on. Today, the man accused of murder in a deadly DUI crash over the weekend appeared before a judge from his hospital room. Action News was there to witness this unusual hearing. Thank you for joining us tonight for this edition of Action News after the game. Good evening, I'm Margot Kim. Ryan Trevino has a long history of DUI arrests. He's now recovering from injuries he suffered in Saturday's crash, while the victim's family grieves a senseless loss. Action News reporter Gabe Ferris was at the hospital today as Trevino's hospital room became a makeshift courtroom.
The man accused of causing this deadly DUI crash over the weekend appeared before a Fresno judge on Wednesday, but Ryan Trevino wasn't at the county courthouse downtown. Instead, he was lying down in his hospital bed at Community Regional Medical Center after having emergency surgery Sunday night. His room on the 7th floor became a courtroom for a few moments. Judge Brian Alvarez, sheriff's deputies, and a court reporter all filed into the room around 1:45 in the afternoon. Trevino was there for arraignment on a murder charge. Prosecutors say the 35-year-old was driving under the influence of alcohol and marijuana on Saturday when he killed a man. His blue Chevy Silverado slammed head-on into a white Toyota Tundra on Millerton Road near Marina Drive. John Tarter was driving that Toyota. The 78-year-old died before a helicopter could fly him to the hospital. A passenger in the Tundra was hospitalized with major injuries. Trevino's arrest following the crash is not the first time he's been in trouble with the law for drinking. He was convicted of other DUI charges in 2007 and 2019, and just last week he was in court again for another DUI charge stemming from an October incident. In those previous cases, judges have told Trevino to stay away from alcohol, and they read him what's called a Watson advisement.
That says that he was warned about driving under the influence, and if he killed someone, you could be filed with first-degree murder. And the theory behind that is when someone knows that they've been convicted and knows if they're under the influence, that's wanton and disregard for someone's life.
The judge denied cameras in the hospital room here at CRMC because of HIPAA privacy protections, but I was allowed inside that makeshift courtroom. Trevino was wearing a blue hospital V-neck. He didn't appear to be in handcuffs, and he kept his eyes closed for much of the proceeding. He looked okay except for his right leg. It was wrapped, bandaged, and propped up on a wedge.
He will remain there until he's well enough to be taken to the jail, and throughout that period of time, there will be a deputy sheriff outside the door of his hospital room.
Judge Alvarez said Trevino is being held on a more than $1 million bail, and he postponed the arraignment for about 2 weeks so Trevino can hire a private attorney. If convicted of murder in this case, Trevino could face 15 years to life in prison. In downtown Fresno, Gabe Ferris, ABC 30, Action News.